Good morning. I'm tired. You guys are lucky. You can't smell my morning breath. It's horrible. Hi. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm vlogging today. Yep. I'm so tired. Yeah. So today I'm going to the beach, but I can't sleep in late because it's Easter Monday. I love the beach and I love sleeping in late, so I'm torn. I'm so tired, I just want to sleep. So this is my ankle right now because I have no idea, but I've been sleeping with this because it's just been hurting quite a lot and I want it to get back better, so I've been sleeping with this little brace thing. Now just I'm vlogging. Hi everyone, so I'm out here. What happened?
I don't really want to be in your vlog.
Why? Oh gosh. So I'm going to the beach and this is my attire. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, show our pants.
Ooh! Oh, so I'm having fun. Where is she? Look on there. Say hello. Hi. I don't know why she behaving like that this morning. She fall off the bed or something. I'm sorry. So I'm having breakfast by the road because I'm waiting for a vehicle. I have sweet bread that my mom made. And then I have my smoothie that I made. And it looks like, you know, green disgustingness. I'm going to do a tutorial on how I make my smoothies. I don't know when, but soon. So yeah, alright, I'm going now. Hi! So I'm here, waiting. I'm in public and I'm vlogging like this and people probably think I'm crazy and I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm talking to y'all because y'all are fabulous. Screw everyone else. You can hear the vehicles. I'm outside. I'm waiting for Janelle's friend to come pick me up. Yeah. Okay, I'm listening to soca. So I'm gonna go back to that and I'm going to tweet and sit here and wait because I'm all about that waiting life apparently. So again, Janelle is back. Tell our friend. We're going to the beach. Hi. Wait. Oh my god. So I was talking and I wasn't filming and I'm feeling like an ass now. So yeah, I'm walking to the beach with Janelle and friends and yeah. Okay, so hold on, let me show you all. Yo, you're on my channel again. The people have missed you. Here's my food.
Alright, so who want ice?
I'm eating.
I have yes.
I'm eating. Janelle, eat Jim. You wanna say hello?
I did this no motion walk here, so now look on the bottle straight in my hand. Which one down? You left the bottle now going from my family? Yes, Sandans. Yes. So this finish today.
Well, I'm lying down. I can sleep now. Hi, my lovelies. I'm cold. Really, really cold and my eyes burn. And this is Janelle. So as you can see, my waterproof mascara did not do well because it smudged. So Janelle and I are walking now to go to the changing room. We don't know if we'll make it in time because Janelle pulled a cramp in the water and she can't walk fast now. So it's a real struggle for her. But we'll try to make it in time. But I doubt we will. So you'll have to bathe outside. But anyway, beach was a lot of fun today. I had a lot of fun. And all of that good stuff. So now we're just going to change. I'm going to carry on that adventure. I'm sorry I didn't film that much, but at least I'm trying to get back into vlogging more. Probably vlog tomorrow as well. I don't know, we have to see how things go first. Y'all have been getting a lot more frequent uploads on my main channel, mainly because it is summer vacation, the last week of summer vacation for people in Trinidad. I think it's the last week. I'm not even sure. Is it the last week of summer vacation coming up now? I don't know. So yeah. So now we're just going. Whatever. Sorry. Yeah. So I lose my train of thought really quickly. Hurry up. I can't. All right. So can't remember what I was saying. Anyway. Yeah. I miss my girlies on my 5-star spam staff. Oh my god, I miss them so much. I have so much to tell them when I get back home. Oh my god. A ton of stuff. But anyway, bye for now.